I've got about 2 months left living here in Retiro, Antioquia before I move to Bangkok. So today I'm walking you through my neighborhood. Let's go. Now, I've been living in Retiro now for 27 months. So by the time I leave, probably about 29 months. And here we're at the square. Every little municipality here in Antioquia has a square with the church and the stores and restaurants surrounding it. It's kind of a staple here. Every municipality has one, and Retiro is no different. As you can see, the church is beautiful. It was recently remodeled with gold trimmings, and as you can see, the ceiling is absolutely phenomenal. Love my little church. Love coming here on Sundays, Sunday mornings, and it's the town is very spiritual, very Catholic. So, if you're into your Lord, and this is definitely a beautiful town because it's very, 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 very Catholic. After church, you're surrounded by little bakeries and little restaurants. So, my favorite bakery is coming up here with fresh buñuelos and pan de bonos. And for a lot of viewers asking me if we have a hospital. Yes, we have a hospital with an emergency room. It's just right around the corner from the square, about a block and a half away. And so for anybody concerned, if we don't have a hospital, we do. And of course, we have another bigger hospital in Llano Grande and in Rio Negro, which is about 20 and 25 minutes away. So yes, we do have a hospital for those that are concerned. And we do have a fire station, has ambulances and paramedics, EMTs. So construction and developments, they're coming up everywhere. Everywhere you see, there's a lot of time and effort put into infrastructure, and there's condominiums going up everywhere. It's very, very impressive. I'm actually doing a separate video to show you all the different development properties. This particular street leading to the square, they just finished the cobblestones and all the roads. So they're definitely putting money into the infrastructure. And I'll tell you, listen, this little town in the next 5 years, if you don't get in now, you possibly will never be able to get in. It's either going to be way too expensive or sold out. So they're definitely putting some time and effort into Retiro. And I would not recommend anywhere else but at Retiro. It's phenomenal. It's been an amazing experience, I must say. But hey, and for note, pedestrians do not have the right of way here. As you can see, cars do not stop, and they'll see you coming. So be careful when you're crossing the street in Colombia. Pedestrians do not have the right of way. Here to my left, there's more restaurants. There's little terraces on top that have like little bars and outdoor seating and more food. And here we have some more lomo lino parrilla. Good steak. I had a good piece of churrasco there once. And then you have chabuca. Chabuca is a Peruvian restaurant, also pretty good. I've had a lomo saltado there. It was very tasty. Then you have a few more stores, and then right towards the end, we have an Italian restaurant. The Italian restaurant is named Osteria Local. So yeah, this is coming up to our right. As we can see, we're approaching, and yeah, here we go. Osteria Local. Really good food. They have nice little truffled pasta with Parmigiano and mushrooms, and I added some chicken. That was really, really good. But they're definitely putting a lot of time and effort into the infrastructure here. All these roads here are fairly brand new, a few months old. Now we're going to take this, we're leaving the square now. And another thing here is we have good coffee. There's really, really good coffee stores that sell local coffee. And there's one particular one over here coming up to my right. And the the coffee is phenomenal. It's so good. This Casa Enzo is an art gallery. And the coffee store is right here to my right. And you could actually have coffee here, sit down and purchase. But very friendly guy. The guy that works here is really, really nice. But yeah, they have all kinds of local grown coffee. So definitely check it out when you're here. There's a few of these around the square, but this one's my favorite one. So definitely check it out while you're here. Another what Retiro's really known for is furniture, wood furniture, building furniture. There's about a good 20 or 25 furniture stores here in Retiro. And it's all made to order. So you pick the one you like. Most of these are all floor samples. However, they do sell the floor samples sometimes, but for the most part, you select the couch or the tables or dining room or bedding, and then they make it for you. Barro's a Napolitano pizzeria. It's really, really good as well. It's pretty hard to find good pizza here in Colombia, but that's about a good 7 out of 10. There's another one called the Dio. That one's better. That one I find it be more like a 8 out of 10. Here we have another furniture store. Wasn't open at the time. And this is one of the 3 hotels we have here. It's called Hotel La Antigua. It's basically the classic or old school. A lot of these hotels are really nice, cozy, boutique hotels. They're not the Hiltons, they're not the Marriotts, but definitely we do have hotels here. And actually, I was gonna make a separate video of the 3 hotels that you can pick from and give you a little. That'll be coming up soon. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and push that notification, because I will be posting several videos of Retiro. I'm gonna really take advantage of the next 2 months and post more Retiro videos. Right here to my left is the bus terminal. The bus terminal that brings you in from Medellin. And it's about a good, 3.5 block away from the square. If you don't know how to get here, I have a video. I'll put it on the description box, a link, and it shows you how to get here on a bus from Medellin. Here we have another shopping center with some apartments on the top. And this is a newer gym here as well called Black Home. And it has a bunch of restaurants and pharmacies and cafes. So you'll find this over here to your left. But yeah, you also have apartments on the top. And these apartments are also for rent. And there's actually several available. Over here to our right, we have a nice little park with a bench and a little statue of the Holy Mary. So a lot of people like to come over here and just sit down and relax. It's a nice little flowery art wall. As you can see, the statue coming up of the Holy Mary. It's very, like I said, a very spiritual town. You'll see a lot of spiritual and statues of saints all throughout the neighborhood. And now we are going to go over here, and as we walk over here, we're going to actually see another furniture store to our right. It's amazing. There's a lot of furniture stores to pick up, and I do recommend, if you are shopping for furniture in Retiro, they do charge. They are pricey, but everything's negotiable. Remember, but yeah, it is pricey. Everything's made. Some of the best wood furniture, the wood comes from this region of Antioquia. So it can be pricey. So just make note of that. But it's definitely worth it. Over here we have some patio furniture that they also make, and they have the warehouse in the back. So you pick something you like, they make it for you. Normally, time delivery for furniture is about 2 to 4 weeks. Depending on the piece, but they always sometimes sell floor samples, so it's always good to ask what they have available so you can just take home with you right away. Otherwise, you're gonna have to wait. Another option would be go down to Medellin and use IKEA. We have an IKEA now here as well, which opened last year. So if you're definitely want something more accessible and a lot quicker. So this is Deca Mejia. But yeah, this is like more patio furniture. And next door we have De Uno. De Uno is a supermarket, and it's a chain of supermarkets here in Colombia. And it's more of like a wholesale type of supermarket. Think of an Aldi in the States. And De Uno, we have like 3 of them here in town. So very well priced. It's gonna be a lot more less expensive than going to Carruja or Euro, one of the bigger supermarkets. Another furniture store here to my left. As you can see, like also some patio furniture. And across the street, we have our second church. It's also another church. I think it's from the late 1800s. So it has a lot of history. It's been around for a long time. As you can see, the outside of it has kind of like that Spanish fort kind of feel to it. And there's also type of law here that they can remodel inside and stuff, but the outside can never really be touched nor broken down. And we're gonna take a nice little walk in here. I feel weird about going into churches with cameras. Luckily it wasn't busy, so I kind of sneaked in a little bit and just give you guys a little view. But here's the second church, also really cute. They have nice little purple lightings. Kind of makes it look like a nightclub. But yeah, nice little church. Also gets really busy on the Sunday Mass is pretty full. And hey, what do you guess? Another furniture store. This one is pretty popular. There's actually like 2 or 3 stores with the same company, the same owner. But yeah, it's all like that wooden type furniture feel. And then we have across the street, we're gonna run into another furniture store. You guessed it. But yeah, it's an amazing little town. You know, it's like really old school, but it's definitely starting to modern up. There's a lot of new restaurants coming in, and like I said, a lot of new developments. This place in 5 years, you won't be able to move in. You won't be able to move in at all. It's going to be very expensive or just sold out. Here's another furniture store. But yeah, so there's definitely a lot of options to select from. You know, don't just go to the first one you see if you decide to live here and shop for furniture. There's several to pick from, and you know, several places to negotiate. You know, which one gives you the best price. All right, so then after here, another one, Huelves Valentina. They actually have 2 locations as well here in the neighborhood. So they do well. They also ship, you know, not just to Retiro. A lot of people come from other municipalities because Retiro is known for like the wood shop capital here in Antioquia and in Colombia. So a lot of exporting done from here as well. Ara is another supermarket like the other one, De Uno. It's like a wholesale, again, like an Aldi. And they actually sell a really good rotisserie chicken in here that's already made and, you know, heated up. And it's costs 22,000 pesos for a whole chicken. So I religiously eat that chicken a good couple times a week when I don't feel like cooking. And then here, a little bakery and little shopping center, the supermarkets in the back, which also has like a pharmacy and dentist office as well. But yeah, we have this over here. And we also have an ice cream store there. Now we came out to down the block, and then there's an open field over here. To my right, there's a school. There's an elementary school and also a soccer field. And here is just an open field. There's a few cows that hang out over here. This is owned by a family that have owned this land forever. I don't know if they're ever going to build anything on it. Probably in the future, I'm sure. The price is right. Somebody comes in with the right offer. But yeah, nice little mountain view. Nice little gloomy day yesterday. This is time of filming this video is Monday. Monday, July 3rd. So it was a little cloudy today because Sunday was actually beautiful. It was nice and sunny. But and that top of the mountain up there has a beautiful trail that takes you to the top, and there's an amazing hiking trail that takes you up there. Oh, there they are, little baby calves just hanging out today. One had a bird sitting on top of it. Real cool. Yeah, these are baby calves, and I've seen there's a gentleman or there's an older guy who takes care of them, and they get so happy when they see them. They act like dogs almost, but you know, they were there chilling. And one of my favorite parts about Colombia in general is the free open gyms that are available for everybody, for the community. This is one of the 5 free community gyms that we have. And as like you see, it has really good equipment. It's covered, so you know, rain or shine. You have your pull-up bars and leg press and squats and leg extension and shoulders and chest machines. And some people add little benches. Those are actually brand new, and they actually make the bars, and this guy over here made over here like a squat machine, but they add buckets and add cement to it and make weights. Zunia Animal, that's my animal shop. That's where I always actually buy my dog food. And hardware stores, there's several hardware stores also throughout the neighborhood, and of course another furniture store. All right, guys, well, I'm going to sum this up video right here. I'll start another walking tour video, start from the other side of the town. But thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.